of drum and bell strikes, the 2019 Jiou Mountain Buddhist Society's Water, Land and Air Dharma Assembly Enhancement ritual got underway at midnight on August 10th in Taoyuan, Taiwan. It was a pilgrimage of thousands of followers from all over the world. Those that traveled from abroad wore traditional clothing from their respective countries. High monks from the Theravada and Vajrayana vehicles of Buddhism also joined founding Abbot of Jiou Mountain Buddhist Society, Dharma Master Hsin of the Mahayana Vehicle in this year's ceremony. The Water, Land and Air Dharma Assembly dates back a millennia and a half ago, and this is Jiou Mountain Buddhist Society's 26th year organizing it.
今年的水路主题是息灾解厄，透过7天集体共振的修行力量来净除我们的业。佛法如海，唯信能入。希望大家要以诚心、信心、愿心来精进水路的各项佛事，转换化解人心的困惑，生态的危机，让心平安，让地球平安。阿弥陀佛。
In the inner shrine, followers donned formal black robes usually worn during important Buddhist rituals. Late through the night, they prayed for peace and happiness for all sentient beings, as most other people slept in their beds. The prayers were like a guiding light in the dark, perilous night. Dharma Master Hsin explained that the purpose of the enhancement ritual is to create a sacred and pure space with a barrier that cannot be broken. It is also to mark the start of the 7-day journey in which the soul will find purity and holiness.